Hello viewers, Reform Nation, an IIT Bombay endeavor to build a better nation. We are on latest trending topic, telemedicine. We will be remembered only if we give to our younger generation a prosperous and safe India resulting out of economic prosperity coupled with civilizational heritage. Now we have a young and dynamic doctor, Mr. Bharat Arun. Welcome Mr. Arun. Yes Mr. Arun, we all are aware of telemedicine. What are the recent applications and advancements in telemedicine?
As we all know, telemedicine is the application of telecom technology and information technology in medical and healthcare system. It has a wide range of applications. They begin with providing treatment to people in remote areas at any particular time, at any given time, and it also includes recording the logistics and statistics and thereby analyzing the prevalence of certain conditions in certain areas and thereby taking steps towards preventing those conditions. It is also useful in educating people about conditions like HIV/AIDS, which are very much prevalent in the society, and also telling the importance of things like nutrition and vaccination in the public masses. And the fourth thing, it's also useful in monitoring a patient, thereby reducing the inpatient period. Coming to the advancements in telemedicine, previously we used to get the information about the symptoms and signs from the patient, and we used to provide the treatment accordingly. But nowadays, with the advent of technology like video calling, we have the chance to interact with the patients directly and prescribe the treatment accordingly.
So, what are the limitations in the telemedicine?
Basically, there are two kinds of limitations. The one is the technical limitation. The telemedicine basically depends on the reach of the telecom facilities and information technology to remote areas of our country. But as of now, there is no much facilities in the remote areas. So that affects the information that is being carried to the doctors who are accessible to the telemedicine. Secondly, not all the conditions can be dealt with the telemedicine. So for example, skin conditions like skin can be prescribed treatment by seeing the patient on video call. But there are certain conditions like the neurological conditions and surgical conditions. We may get the investigation reports through telecommunication. But unless we compare and we correlate the investigation reports by physical examination of the patient, we cannot come to the conclusion and we cannot prescribe the treatment.
Okay, Mr. Arun, what is the future scope of telemedicine?
As of now, many villages in our country, several lakhs of villages are covered under telemedicine. And the government has realized the importance of telemedicine and has taken initiative, and it has taken steps so that in the next 5 years, almost every village in our country will be covered under telemedicine.
So, how can this extend its hand to all the remote areas?
Right now, the infrastructure required for telemedicine is provided by the Indian Ministry of Health and Services and certain national institutes like AIIMS, PGH Chandigarh, and many of the big corporate hospitals like Apollo and other corporate hospitals. If the other remaining corporate hospitals and the private practitioners come forward and take interest in promoting the telemedicine, within a very short time, every village of our country will be provided with the services of telemedicine.
So to what extent it is useful for our healthcare system?
See, technology is a great tool to assist the healthcare system. It reduces a great deal of time and provides great convenience to both the patient and to the doctor. But it can never replace, it may be used as a tool to assist the healthcare system, but it cannot replace the conventional methods of treatment.
Okay, Mr. Arun. Despite all these benefits, only 17% of the medical practitioners and doctors are using it and 34% are interested in it. So, it's our responsibility. The technocrats should improvise and publicize the telemedicine. So it leads to a healthy nation with a hygienic lifestyle. Signing out with Fly, Santosh Kumar with cameraman Murthy.